Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. So let's start our service with a meditation and reading. And today my reading comes from the Creative Thought magazine, and it was by Nancy Fisher from Eugene, Oregon. And she wrote, "Right here, right now, I proclaim a new idea about what is possible for me. I express a new idea about how I choose to experience my life. I lift my vision and see above any seemingly obstacles. I decide that I deserve to have the best that delights my spirit and uplifts my heart. This life is my life, and I have the opportunity to choose how I experience it. I invite and I allow spirit within to guide me, and I listen to that intuitive knowing. There is something in me that knows exactly what to do and how to do it in order for me to have everything I require to live the life of my dreams." So now, let us turn to affirmative prayer, and as we input our best ideas about ourselves and life into universal mind, and then let us go into silence so we can open our hearts and souls to that sweet whisperings of spirit of how we can step forward and how we can expand our lives in greater and more dynamic way. So I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tightly to it. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let it slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, one power. That power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. That power created me from itself, plus nothing else. So here today, there is a part of me that is that divine intelligence. And that part of me is seeking to live intelligently. So I now know that regardless of the obstacles I see before me, that there is a way for me to live in joy, in love, in health, and prosperity. There's a way for me to see my life expanding and blooming joyfully, just like the spring flowers I see blooming. Spirit has called me by name from stardust so I can walk the soil of this earth, to see Spirit flowing through me, to know God is my joyful partner, helping me expand my life, bringing love and encouragement and support to those around me, and lifting my eyes to a better knowing. I now put these ideas alive with the Spirit of God into the mind of universal mind, and I open my heart and soul to listen to that sweet voice of Spirit. As I move forward today, these ideas, these words, these thoughts, these emotions empower me to be the best I can be, to be what Spirit had in mind when it called me forth. This is my truth. I celebrate it. I rejoice in this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.